Hey, what's up, guys? Today I have something really awesome for you. All right. If you want tons of laser targeted traffic to anything you want, you're going to want to check this out. All right. Two Rank Explosion was created by Lenny, Adam Payne, Gary Ulrich. And let me just tell you, this is going to blow you away. All right. So think about it. What if you could send tons of laser targeted buyers to any of your offers for free? Would you make any money? So, whether you're into affiliate marketing, CPA offers, e-commerce, building a list of people to promote to, your products, your website, Amazon physical products, or send it to send the traffic to attorneys, local plumbers, real estate agents, oral surgeons, that type of thing. I mean, Two Rank Explosion is going to show you exactly how to rank YouTube videos fast and have them stick on page one. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another video here in a minute and just link it to the description tab in the below, just so you can check out exactly what you're getting when you pick this up today. The site is awesome. Everything is killer on this. All right. And when you pick this up through my link below, you're going to get the best bonus possible from me. All right, so Two Rank Explosion is awesome. All right, but it can be a little overwhelming. With over 40 high quality videos in there, you can get on information overload. All right, so I'm throwing in my own killer strategy how I rank any video I want on the first page of Google every single time, and it's fast too. So it's a 16-page PDF case study that I made where I show you exactly how I put two videos on the first two spots in Google on page one for free. Super easy. I made over 40 bucks with it. Just something I'm throwing in for you so you can see how I did it with no list, just linking it up. So that's the awesome thing about YouTube. And if you grab this today, you can get started right away with my awesome bonus. A YouTube account, a cell phone even, something like that. Even if you don't have a laptop, trust me, all you got to do is take action. All right, so click the link below now to check this out and grab my killer bonus. That'll come with it when you pick it up through me. It's already linked up and waiting for you there. So you can get started right away. Thanks.